Hey vegheads! It's time to learn the names of some crops in French.
Language is the way we all communicate. Some may be different, but they are all great.
In this video, we will learn how to say soursop, cantaloupe, breadfruit, and cabbage in French. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Soursop. In French, it is called corossol. Cantaloupe. In French, it is called cantaloupe. Breadfruit. In French, it is called fruit à pain. Cabbage. In French, it is called chou. That's corossol, cantaloupe, fruit à pain, chou. Now, let me hear you pronounce it. Say corossol. 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 Say cantaloupe. 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 Say fruit à pain. Fruit à pain. Fruit à pain. Say chou. 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 Très bien. Alright, vegheads, it's your turn now. You say the name of the crop when I ask for the name. Vous êtes prêts? Okay, let's begin. What is this crop called in French? Corossol. What is this crop called in French? Cantaloupe. Now, what is this crop called in French? Fruit à pain. And what is this crop called in French? Chou. Très bien. Let's try that again. What is this crop called in French? Corossol. What is this crop called in French? Cantaloupe. Now, what is this crop called in French? Fruit à pain. Comment ça s'appelle en français? Chou. Très bien. Let's do that one more time. What is this crop called in French? Corossol. What is this crop called in French? Cantaloupe. Now, what is this crop called in French? Fruit à pain. Comment ça s'appelle en français? Chou. Très bien. Remember, vegheads, we learned how to say soursop, cantaloupe, breadfruit, and cabbage in French. That's corossol, cantaloupe, fruit à pain, chou. So that's it for these crops. Check out our other language videos to learn about other crops and in other languages. See you next time. Au revoir.
Language is the way we all communicate. Some may be different, but they are all great.
To further support VegEd, you can purchase our activity book on Amazon linked below.